In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at SEO, step by step. So let's get started. So what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now, how to make our website appear in the top position in search results of big search engines like Google. Number 1, keyword search. Before doing SEO optimization, the first step that must be done is to do keyword research. Then the benefits of keyword research. Targeting a website or article may appear in the keyword with the most search volume per month with little competition. SEO optimization has two parts. In-page optimization, or what is known as on-page SEO, and the second is off-page optimization or off-page SEO. Now, on-page SEO includes website title, website description, article title, contents of the article, article image, reduced bounce rate, page access speed, website is easy to navigate. Off-page SEO. How to make other people share our website links or articles to other websites. So this is the brief introduction to SEO. Thank you for watching.